Well, the road's finally open. Waters went down quite a ways. And looks like the tractor's still there. Oops, somebody's lost her tent. Oh well. Let's go in town, see how it looks. See, zooming here, I'm driving, so if I keep doing this, I'm just gonna make you sick, so I'm gonna stop. But yeah, the roads are open. Water went down, thank God. It looks like it leveled the tractor out nicely. Looks like they were graded. Only the waters went down a lot.